ঢাকা বুড়িগঙ্গা নদীর তীরে অবস্থিত। এটার ইংলিশ কি হবে বলেন তো? It is called the lifeline of Dhaka city. Stay connected with Friendly English. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Friendly English. Today in this blog we are going on a journey across the river Buriganga. It's a historic river in Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh, Dhaka, stands on this river. And the lifeline of Dhaka city revolves around this river. Buriganga is called a river that never sleeps. It's always busy. As you can see, at this afternoon, the boats are running through this river. The water is reflecting the sunlight. The falling sun is getting reflected on the water of this river. Now I'm walking on the bank of the river along a lane, along a sidewalk. It's really wonderful, this river. Now, as you can see, I'm standing on the bank of this river and I'm about to cross the river. So I'm going to show you the practical experience of crossing the river. So now you can see people are already crossing the river. They're coming from the other end of this river and they're walking on a makeshift bamboo bridge. They are being carried by small boats, country boats. We are going to cross this river from this side to the other side by the same boats. In the middle of the river, if I zoom, you'll be able to see the goods carrying boats. They're carrying necessary goods like cements, fruits, vegetables, and all sorts of things. I'm going to walk on this makeshift bamboo bridge along with people. It's a bit risky. Still, I'm trying to capture everything to give you a practical experience of crossing the river Buriganga. Now, as I move on, I can show you the condition of the water of this river. The pollution that's going on in this river, in its water, that's a concern for the entire country. So now I have come to the boat and I'm going to ride the boat now. Now we are crossing the river by a small country boat. The boat is oscillating because of the small waves on water. Let me show you the waves on the water. Now we are exactly in the middle of the river. From this middle, I'm going to show you the left side of this river. This is the east part, the east bank of the river. And then from here we can see the Bosila Bridge. It's a very important bridge. The Dhaka city is getting connected to Karniganj through this bridge. And if you can see the bridge, and just near the bridge we have a view of a ship, small ship, goods carrying ship. Now our boat is oscillating. This is the famous Buriganga River of Bangladesh. But the water of this river is going through a severe pain because of the pollution. Thank you very much.